Have you ever heard doctors warn against something you thought was key to a long, healthy life? You've probably been told that walking is one of the best exercises you can do as you get older. But what if I told you that might not be entirely true? In fact, relying too much on walking while neglecting other key movements can actually lead to muscle loss, joint pain, and even mobility issues down the line. That's why, instead of simply walking, there are 6 crucial things you should be doing right now to keep your body strong, your balance sharp, and your overall health in peak condition. These are doctor-recommended activities that go beyond just putting one foot in front of the other. They target the muscles, joints, and reflexes that walking alone just doesn't engage. If you're between 65 and 80 and want to stay active, independent, and thriving well into your later years, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive into what you should be doing instead of just walking. One of the biggest mistakes people make as they get older is assuming that walking alone is enough to keep their body strong. But here's what most don't realize: walking is great for your heart, but it doesn't do much for your upper body, your core, or even some of the most important muscles in your legs. That's why doctors recommend incorporating balance and coordination exercises into your routine. These types of exercises help strengthen the stabilizing muscles that keep you steady on your feet, reduce your risk of falling, and improve your overall mobility. When you walk, you're mainly moving in a straight line, which doesn't challenge your ability to react quickly or stabilize yourself if you trip or lose balance. That's where balance exercises come in. A simple yet effective exercise you can try is the heel-to-toe walk. It looks easy, but it forces your brain and muscles to work together to maintain stability. Just place one foot directly in front of the other as if you're walking on a tightrope and take slow, controlled steps. This engages the small muscles in your ankles and legs that help prevent falls. Another great option is single leg stands. Just standing on one foot for 20-30 seconds at a time can dramatically improve your balance over time. And if you want an exercise that also strengthens your core, seated leg lifts are a fantastic choice. Many seniors don't realize that a lack of balance training is one of the main reasons falls happen so easily. And the truth is, even if you walk regularly, it doesn't mean your balance is improving. That's why incorporating targeted balance and coordination exercises into your daily routine can make a huge difference. Even just a few minutes a day can help you move more confidently, prevent injuries, and keep you feeling strong and independent. Another critical mistake people make is assuming that walking is enough to maintain overall strength. While it does engage some muscles, it doesn't do much for maintaining or building muscle mass, which is crucial as we age. That's why resistance training is something doctors highly recommend. As we get older, we naturally lose muscle, a process called sarcopenia. This muscle loss can make everyday tasks more difficult, weaken your joints, and even slow down your metabolism. Walking alone does not provide the resistance needed to combat this loss, which is why strength training is so important. The good news is you don't need heavy weights or gym equipment to do this effectively. Bodyweight exercises like squats, wall push-ups, or seated leg lifts can do wonders. For example, squats help strengthen your legs and core, making it easier to get up from a chair or climb stairs without struggling. If you have light dumbbells or resistance bands, even better. Doing simple bicep curls or shoulder presses a few times a week can make a noticeable difference in how strong you feel. Another overlooked benefit of resistance training is how it supports bone health. When you put your muscles under slight stress, your bones also respond by getting stronger. This helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, which are a major concern for older adults. In fact, studies show that strength training is one of the most effective ways to prevent age-related bone loss. If you haven't started incorporating resistance exercises into your routine yet, now is the time. Even just 10-15 minutes a few times a week can help you feel stronger, steadier, and more capable in your daily life. If you're finding this information valuable, leave a comment below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to Graceful Aging Tips and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Your support helps us continue creating helpful content to keep you informed and inspired. Now here's something to think about: the way you move, strengthen, and care for your body today will determine the quality of your life in the years to come. Many people assume that walking is the only way to stay mobile and independent, but as we've discussed, there are smarter and more effective alternatives that can strengthen your body, protect your joints, and enhance your overall health. Whether it's strength training, balance drills, resistance work, stretching, or breath work, each of these practices plays a crucial role in helping you stay active, strong, and full of life. Aging doesn't mean slowing down, it means finding better ways to support your body so you can keep doing what you love. Taking the time to incorporate even just one or two of these activities into your daily routine can drastically reduce your risk of injury, improve circulation, strengthen muscles, and even sharpen your mind. Many people realize too late that they've been wearing down their bodies with repetitive movements instead of training smarter. But the good news is, it's never too late to make a change. So if you've been relying solely on walking, consider mixing in these other activities to build a stronger, healthier foundation for the years ahead. You don't have to stop walking entirely, but by adding variety, strengthening key muscle groups, and improving balance and flexibility, you're setting yourself up for a longer, more active life. The best part? You'll feel the difference almost immediately: more energy, less strain on your joints, and a renewed sense of control over your body. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.